We've had enough people ask the question, what is the difference between the LaserPod 1.0 and 2.0? In today's video, I'm going to show you those differences. From the outside, the LaserPods look very similar, and the way they function is basically the same, but there are some major differences. Let me show you what they are. One of the main differences when you turn it on, the whole machine lights up on the 2.0. You'll notice that apart from the start and stop button, we've got this little dial that has 3 settings, where we just have the start and the stop on the 1.0. The number 1 setting is going to be your slowest setting. The number 2 will be faster, and the number 3 will be the fastest. The number 3 sits at just over 6 minutes of runtime. The number 2 is going to be something around 14 minutes, and the number 1 is going to be around 24 minutes or so. The other difference is the lid. When you close the lid, it engages a safety switch on the 2.0, where the 1.0 doesn't have that safety switch. We never had any issues with anyone burning themselves, but I saw that as an issue, so that's why we swapped it over to where there was an actual safety switch that you can hear engage right when you open it up. But the main difference between the LaserPod 2.0 and the 1.0 is the 2.0 does have a stronger laser, which has allowed for the differences in speeds. That being said, if you switch this to a 3 and you expect it to cut a white back glass like it does a black, you may have to run it twice, because even though it is a stronger laser, when you go with a faster speed, you're not going to have as much penetration with the laser as you would on a darker color, just by the characteristics of darker colors absorbing light better. Both LaserPods are great. The 1.0 serves its purpose, and the 2.0 does as well. There are advantages to having the 2.0 over the 1.0, but the 1.0 will get the job done just fine. Thanks a ton for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.